The beauty of Joseon Dynasty cream is a luxurious, nourishing cream that combines traditional Korean herbal ingredients with modern skincare technology to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. In this video, we'll be taking a deeper dive into its key ingredients and sharing how to use this cream properly in your skincare routine. The beauty of Joseon Dynasty cream is a versatile moisturizer that deeply hydrates while improving the skin's texture and overall radiance. With a rich yet lightweight texture, it absorbs quickly into the skin, making it perfect for use day or night. It's packed with traditional Korean herbal ingredients, including ginseng and orchid extract, to nourish the skin and restore its vitality. Here are the key ingredients in the cream. First, we have 5% ginseng root water. Known for its powerful anti-aging properties, ginseng helps to improve skin elasticity, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote a healthy, youthful glow. Next, we have 2% niacinamide. A multifunctional skincare ingredient, niacinamide helps brighten the skin, reduce the appearance of dark spots, regulate oil flow, and improve skin texture. Then we have 2% squalane, which has properties similar to sebum, helps to balance oil and moisture, and acts as a moisture barrier to protect the skin from external stimuli. Finally, 29% rice bran water, which is rich in amino acids, minerals, and vitamin E to help keep the skin moisturized and healthy. Let's now jump into how to use the cream into your skincare routine. You can use the cream both morning and evening. First, start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser and pat it dry. Apply your toner, which is optional. Apply your water-based serums followed by your oil-based serums. Take an appropriate amount of the Dynasty cream onto your fingertips. Gently apply the cream to your face, neck, and chest area using upward circular motions. If using during the day, apply sunscreen to finish to protect your skin from UV damage. The beauty of Joseon Dynasty cream is an excellent addition to your skincare routine, offering hydration, brightening, and anti-aging benefits in one luxurious product. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can achieve a more youthful, glowing complexion. If you want to learn more about some of our favorite Korean skincare products, check out these videos here next.